welcome you to this episode of Physical Geography, where we are still on the vegetation. Today, the topic of today is about vegetation destruction. Vegetation destruction. Remember that in the previous episode, we were talking about vegetation distribution, and now we are going to discuss about vegetation destruction. Destroying vegetation, clearing vegetation. So, it's what we are going through. Causes of clearing vegetation or factors that influence vegetation destruction. You may find that in any exam, you can find that question asking factors that influencing vegetation destruction or causes of vegetation destruction or causes of clearing vegetation. So, what causes vegetation to be cleared or destroyed? Poor climatic condition like constant drought and flooding and even farming. Remember, poor climatic condition like constant drought can lead to the drying up of vegetation, and flooding can also lead to destruction of vegetation. Therefore, it's a cause. Need for more land for settlement. You know, if you want to construct a house, you have to clear place, you have to clear all vegetation type so that you can be able to organize a plot to construct the house. And therefore, whenever you are looking for more land for settlement, whenever you are looking for more land for constructing our houses, we destroy vegetation. Point number 3, need for more land for agriculture. Just like people need food to eat. And if you want food to eat, you have to grow crops. Okay? And you cannot grow crops in area where there is a lot of grasses. So that's why you first clear or you destroy all natural vegetation so that you can be able to grow your crops. So that's why we say if we need more land for agriculture, we can keep on destroying vegetation. High demand for firewood and charcoals. Remember, if you want to cook food, we need charcoal and firewood. That's why when you cut down trees for firewood and even charcoals, we can cause vegetation destruction. Overgrazing. You know overgrazing. So when you practice overgrazing, domestic animals can even remove vegetation cover, hence vegetation destruction. Bush burning and even deforestation can also lead to vegetation destruction. So let's go to effects of vegetation destruction. Effect of clearing vegetation. If we clear vegetation, if we destroy vegetation, what consequences, what effects, what result will produce? Number 1, if we cut down the trees, if we destroy vegetation, it can lead to soil erosion. Because the surface of the earth will be bare, and therefore soil will be exposed to its agents, or to the agents of erosion. Vegetation destruction can also lead to mass wasting. So when you cut down trees, when we clear vegetation cover, we can expose to earth surface to the agents of mass wasting or to factors that can influence mass wasting, like heavy rainfall. It leads to the loss of rainfall. If we clear vegetation, if we destroy vegetation, if we cut down the trees, we shall cause loss of rainfall. This will cause climate change. We shall no longer have enough rainfall as we are experiencing in that case from today. It leads to the loss of the natural beauty of an area. So if area is beautified by any kind of vegetation and we destroy or we cut down or we clear such a vegetation, we shall lead or we shall cause to the loss of beauty of that place. And finally, it leads to the loss of home of wild animals. Meaning that if we cut down vegetation, so we are causing those wild animals to lose where they can live. And therefore, it's an effect. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and give comments so that you can keep on improving our teaching and learning practice. Have a nice time.